Online shoppers, listen up. Amazon claims to know its customers so well, they can ship what you need before you even order it. The Wall Street Journal reports the retail giant got a patent last month for what it calls anticipatory shopping. The company says it may ship products based on customers' previous orders and shopping habits, like searches, wish lists, and shopping cart contents. This is Amazon's second attempt at cutting delivery time in an effort to keep customers happy. You may remember they introduced those drones a couple months ago.